Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a user code on a Kwikset Powerbolt 2 in 2026. So as you can see, this is Kwikset Powerbolt 2 lock, and over here before you even begin, you need to make sure that your door is open and the lock is also in the unlock position. Now, once that is done, you need to simply start entering the master code. So if the lock has never been reprogrammed, the default master code is usually 0000. So after entering the master code, you need to simply press the quick set button or the lock button. And when you press it, you should hear one beep indicating that the lock is ready for the next step. Now in the next step, you need to simply press 1. Then you need to press the quick set button or the lock button again. Afterwards, you need to start entering the user code, and the code must be between 4 to 10 digits long. So once you have entered the code, in order to save it, you need to again press the lock button or the quick set button. So if the programming is successful, you are going to hear two beeps, and you are also going to see the keypad flash confirming that the new user code has been saved. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.